Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Now, if you're looking for ways to take control of your production line and keep things running smoothly, then boy, do I have a treat for you today. We're diving deep into the latest feature added to the Cin7 Core product, the production scheduler, and this feature is a game changer. Trust me, let's not waste any more time and dive right in. Alright, so first off, a massive shout out to our Cin7 Core clients who've expressed their need for a more flexible scheduling system. Your feedback was heard and the team has answered with the new priority feature in the production scheduler. This gem lets you assign high, medium and low priority to production orders, which is super useful when you are dealing with potential delays. Now, isn't that cool? Now, keep in mind that to make the most out of this feature, you'll need an advanced manufacturing module subscription, and you'll also need scheduler permission. So if you need to get help, or if you need any help getting these set up, feel free to reach out to the team at Software for Business. We are wizards at Cin7 Core Manufacturing. Well, let's have a closer look at this feature, shall we? Let's create a quick production order and release it for planning. So go to production orders. Your production orders will be listed with various filters on the right. We'll click on plus. We'll click and select the product that we want, as well as the quantity, a tag if you want. And then your capacity calculation, either going forward or backward, depending on your date required. We'll just leave it planning forward. I will load the bill of material. Notice you can have various different versions if that is potentially your scenario. I will authorize this and I will release it. And now let's go to our scheduler. So, yep, there's various things that we can still do in here. For example, printing the work order and the traveler. But let's just go in here because this is our focus for today. I'm going to refresh this scheduler. There we go. We can see there's the 10, the 20, and the 30. The 20 came in as a medium priority. And you can see that I have scheduled it for tomorrow. So currently my settings is per hour. So I can click on that gear icon there. I can say days. There we go. That will show it over there. Now, let's say I want to make this medium and that the medium low and the low medium. What you can then do is you click on edit mode. Let's say that is low. Let's say that is medium. And you will see that the quantity 5 is going to jump. Once I save it, it's now in the middle. And I can move this around. So currently I can't move it around, but if I click on edit mode, I can move my scheduling around. I can also expand it. I can also click there and say expand all my groups and see what is happening. And I can also move this out if I want to. I can say this is happening at that stage. And so you will notice that there's a new priority column added to the scheduler. And in edit mode, you can easily select the priority for each order from a drop-down list menu, and it can be high, medium, or low. You've got complete control. So now that we've got our priorities set, we'll say save changes. What's next? Well, the orders automatically sort themselves, as you've seen, based on the priority level. High priority orders goes to the top, medium ones goes to the middle, and the low priority ones at the bottom. And within each group, there is also further sorted options, sorted by release date. And man, talk about organization, right? Now here's something you'll love. The MES application has plenty of settings that make it real flexible, allowing for the specification of resources, work centers, operational suspense reasons, factory calendar days and working hours, as well as account mapping. So no matter where you are or what you're doing, you can always stay on top of your production schedule and production orders. Well, let me just quickly show you where to find that. Go to production, go to settings, look something like this. You can set up your calendar there. You can have all of your resources in here. And then you can also set up your work centers and suspense reasons, as well as click on account mapping to set up various general ledger account mapping. All right, folks, that wraps up our exploration of the new priority feature in Cin7 Core Production Scheduler. Remember, if you need any help with your Cin7 Core manufacturing requirements, don't hesitate to contact Software for Business. Our team is amazing, and we'll sort you out in no time. So stay productive, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.